see you in high spirits. How have you been?
Hi, Tizzy. Can't really complain. The last couple of days here have been wonderful. How about you?
If I had a tail, I would wag it.
Oh, wow. Did I miss on anything?
Well, I'm extremely excited because I'm looking forward to hosting one very important guest very soon.
Sounds like a lot of fun. Who will that be?
It is not a secret at all. It will be you, LJ.
Oh, naughty, naughty Tizzy. I already thought it was going to be someone else.
No. Have you already started packing your suitcase?
Not yet. I have it ready to be packed, though I really miss traveling.
Not to worry, we can pack your luggage together now. I will be your helper.
It will be great since I often hesitate what to take or not while traveling.
Let's start with the most essential things first.
I usually pack my personal care items first, and for those items, I have this little comfy bag where I put all my beauty products.
Okay.
You know, as a woman, I usually take all my life with me wherever I go.
Oh, I totally understand you. So, what will go into your bag?
So the basic things first. I'll take my toothbrush and toothpaste, of course, shampoo for my hair, shower gel for my body, a few cotton pads for my face, and hand cream, of course, and not a step without a disinfection liquid. And I cannot do without my sunglasses either.
Oh, good.
Yeah, and in case my hands get dirty, I'll take a package of wet wipes.
Good.
Yeah, so these are the basics. By the way, TZ, will I be able to borrow a hair dryer at your place?
No problem. I have one you can borrow anytime, as well as you don't need to take any towel. I'll provide one for you.
Awesome. Thanks for your hospitality.
Oh, not at all. What about clothes? Any ideas what you would like to take with you?
So I've checked the recent weather forecast. The weather is going to be very interchangeable at the seaside. So I guess I'll take two sets of clothing. One set for the cold weather, another one for the warm weather.
Okay, that sounds very smart. Oh, I have extra umbrella just in case. Don't overload your suitcase.
What a coincidence, TZ. My new umbrella has just gotten broken. Can you imagine?
Okay.
Oh, should I take any fancy outfits in case we go out?
That's a good question. For sure, we will get somewhere, so one little black dress is a must to have with you.
Oh my God, TZ, you're creating a wardrobe challenge for me. It's good that I'm not traveling on foot.
Yeah, so as a matter of fact, how are you going to get here?
I'm coming by train. It'll take me 4 hours to get to my destination.
Oh, sounds super exciting. I love traveling by train. Have you booked your ticket in advance?
Yeah, I booked it last week.
Have you bought one-way ticket and then you will buy a return ticket when you'll be here in Klaipėda?
No, I have bought a round-trip ticket not to worry about anything anymore.
Oh, excellent.
Okay, Daisy, so I have to go on the hunt for my little black dress in my closet.
So
Wish me luck.
good luck with that. So in a blizzard, little lizard.
Gotta go, Buffalo.